This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Melanie Whitehead. This move-in ready York County rancher boasts of 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathroom, spacious living room, large eat-in kitchen with a pantry, separate laundry room/mud room with beautiful ceramic tile throughout the house. Enjoy the huge backyard that is great for cookouts and get-togethers. There is a large 2-story shed out back with electricity and air conditioner. This home is only 2 miles to the Yorktown Beach/Farmers Market. Come enjoy your new home and all the Yorktown has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Melanie Whitehead at 804-331-0422.